Peace and blessings, fam. Today I am diving into the world of what? Crochet braids. Yes, today I am going to be bringing you a new, yes, I said new, amazing method. Yes, this is a new, amazing crochet method that you have never seen before. And it is called what? The invisible crochet method. Yes, this is an invisible crochet method that I created, and it will what? Take your skills to the next level. Yes, your crochet skills will be elevated with this method. It is a revolutionary technique that has a total game changer. Yes, this is a total game changer, ladies, and I am going to jump right into this video and tell you exactly how I created this beautiful style. Look at this amazing invisible crochet method. So as you can see here, I am always starting off by moisturizing my client's hair with what? Our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter, as you know if you watch my videos, is infused with what? Organic hair oils to promote hair growth. As you can see here, I've already started the method. I start with installing a frontal. Yes, this is a 13 by 4 custom frontal. These frontals are sold on my website. They are custom made. They are installed with no glue. Yes, ladies, no glue is needed with this frontal. It is made with my custom elastic band, which is patent pending, and it does not move, it does not slip, and it does not slide. As you can see here, it looks absolutely natural. I am sewing the back down and I am stitching the front. As you can see, I did a braid pattern, and with those braid patterns, the braids that are underneath is where I am sewing. So yes, this frontal, it is going to be secure. It's not going to slip, slide, shift, or move. And look how natural it looks. This is going to look like her natural scalp and her natural part. She's going to be able to wear this style. It's going to be very versatile. She is going to be able to wear a left side part, a right side part, or even a middle part. She can even pull these all the way to the back and wear a back ponytail if she desires. So this is a game changer, ladies. Look how I am installing this frontal. I am going to start off by braiding the braids in this frontal just as you would do your natural hair. Yes, when you are getting your crochet braids installed, some stylists braid the braids to the back, or they use whatever braid pattern that is most healthiest for your hair, which is what I always do. So because my client does have some hair loss in the front and around her edges, we are using this frontal. Why? Because this frontal is going to give her the fullness that she needs. It's going to disguise any of the hair loss that she has in the front and on the sides. You are never going to be able to tell that she has any hair loss at all. Also, this frontal is going to protect her natural hair underneath. Yes, her natural hair underneath is not going to have any tension and any pulling or any stress, because all the crochets that I'm going to be installing is going to be on this frontal. Yes, isn't that amazing? So her hair is going to be very well protected. So even if you don't have any hair loss, if you have healthy hair and you just want to give your hair a break, you don't want to put any weight, any tension, or any pulling on your natural hair, this style is absolutely the one you want to go to. This is the ultimate option. So yes, as you can see here, again, I am braiding the braids in the frontal. If you want to order this frontal, you can tap the link in the description below. I not only have frontals, but I also have custom made closures. Yes, I have the 4x4 closures, and they also come pre-braided too. You can buy these Either way, you can purchase them braided or unbraided, but they are all custom made, and you do not have to use glue, ladies. That is the ultimate game changer. We need to get away from that glue. The glue is not healthy for our hair, and we want to make sure that we keep the edges that we have, and we do not want to promote any hair loss, only hair growth. Look how natural this looks. Oh my gosh, I am loving this style. Look at these cornrows. They are perfect for crochets. You can also use these frontals and my closures for sew-in weaves as well. Yes, if you are looking to get you a sew-in weave, you can also use this frontal and those closures. They are absolutely a game changer and amazing. So look how I'm attaching the braids in the back to make a braid across the back where I am going to do the crochets. What? Here it is. We are using 100% all natural human hair. Yes, this is a pre-loop, deep wave human hair. Look at this hair. It's absolutely gorgeous. This hair was so easy to work with. It didn't tangle, it didn't shed. Look how the ends are. So the pre-loop on this human hair braids are elastic. As you can see, I'm showing you the elastic and how it stretches. Yes, once they are installed, you will not see the elastic on it at all. This is the fun part, the crocheting, and as you can see, I am crocheting on that frontal, on these braids, just as I would do natural hair. Look how this is coming out. Look how natural it already looks. And as you can see, and I always tell people in my videos, you do not, I repeat, you do not want to go all the way underneath the braid. You want to go through the braid. This is what gives the braid the versatility that it needs to be able to be shifted in each direction. It can be shifted forward, backwards, to the left, or to the right. And that's what you need so that your hairstyle can have all the flexibility that you want it to have. Look how natural this looks. And as you can see, I am winding my crochet needle when I am putting the crochet braids on. I do that because when you do that, it tightens the knot, and that's what you want. You want the knot in the beginning of the crochet to be as tight as possible. Again, this gives it a more natural look, especially around the hairline. So again, I'll show you and I'll give you a closer up visual of what the knot looks like. Again, you will not be able to see the elastic that is at the beginning of the crochet braid. So again, continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style was accomplished. Again, this is the invisible. What? The invisible crochet method. It's a game changer, ladies. Continue to keep watching to the end. gosh, look at this. This style is coming out so pretty. Yes, her frontal is full, and I have been working on the back, and it is almost completely full, and this style is almost complete. Yes, this style took about 2.5 hours total. It is very easy. It is fast. It is long lasting, and it comes out just amazing. I am so proud of myself, and I am so proud to bring you this style. I hope that it is bringing some tips to some stylists as well as to clients. Please watch this video and share with your stylists. Look at the front of this. Oh my gosh, tell me this doesn't look natural. Her natural scalp. This is falling so pretty. It is blending in with her skin, and right here I'm just going back and I'm filling in some of those gaps to make sure that no matter which style she tries to wear her hair in, it looks nice, full, and natural. Look at that. It is amazingly beautiful. I am almost done, and I will bring you the finished look in just a moment, so continue to keep watching. Again, if you are interested in ordering this frontal, tap the link in the description below so that you can get your order in today. Yes, the frontal comes pre-braided with the braids already in, so all you have to do is attach the frontal and begin crocheting. Again, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed. West Coast finest, T's Braids and Weaves. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil. Blessings, fam. Today I want to talk to you about a stylish solution that could be a total game changer for those with thin hair and who are experiencing hair loss. As you can see, my client here, I've already started her hair. I did her braid pattern, and I added a crochet cap as well as my custom made closure. Yes, I used my custom made closure because this is going to give her the most natural look in the front. I want it to look as natural as possible and to look like her natural scalp. This is the hair we are using. It's some crochet passion twist. The color is 1B gray ombre. Yes, and it is 12 inches long. I've already installed some of the crochets, as you can see here. I'm only crocheting mainly on the net and not her hair, because again, as always, I want to put as less weight, tension, and pulling on her hair as possible. And I just want you to know that crochet braids can be an excellent solution to hair loss and to thin hair. And look at this beautiful style. Look how this came out. It looks so beautiful, so natural. Please subscribe.